Hello, this is Puneet Kathar and I am a web developer, and in this video I will be showing some of my works which I think is worth showing. In the first video, it's a front-end technology, front-end website using technology like React and others. It is pretty engaging and a beautiful website. In the second video, I have a website which is complex backend technology using Node.js. Also, I can develop anything which you want out of a website. If you want to play a video in your website, if you want to generate auto emails to your customers, to yourself, whenever something happens, everything is possible, and I can develop that for you in a very competitive price. So consider me for your web development tasks. Thank you.